Yeah, I'm ready. Well, you know, I don't even know where you are, so no, I'm not ready. Oh, hello. I'm definitely not ready. Ooh, huge dismiss. What the hell Venom doing?
Got a touch, jelly touch.
Oh. Oh. I give up. Oh, it worked out. It worked out.
Oh, yeah.
That was lucky.
Oh my god, it was huge!
We had the same brain there. It worked. Oh, fuck.
We got the point. We got the point. Blow him up.
Ooh, Hexa season, please! Please! Please!
Get ready to kill the Hella. Oh.
No, Jeff, please! It didn't count. It was too long. No. No. Oh, it didn't count. No, it was almost upset.
Oh, look at our scores. Oh my god.
Please. Ah, fuck. Might have fallen asleep in the stairwell. Oh, good morning, SX. Hi, Al, how are you? Fetch, Mr. Rod, and Maces. Thank you guys for the follows, too. Watching the rival stream for 5 hours and didn't get the Starlord emo? What the fuck? Your shit is borked, bro. Wait, why? I'm spinning. Why? Why? Can you not? Shush.
How do you do that one?
Whoa. Yours is... Oh. Okay.
You know, yours is like... Let's go.
I'm gonna break my fucking throat doing that shit. May have to get out the other drops first. Yeah, there are multiple drops that you have to get.